Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. Today, we're going to explore the differences between free and paid proxies. We'll discuss whether free ones are truly slower, how safe they are, and if there are reliable alternatives to paid options. At first glance, free proxies seem attractive. They're available at no cost, require no registration or subscriptions, and are easy to connect to. You can use them in chains to increase anonymity, although this significantly reduces connection speed. For basic tasks like temporarily changing your IP or testing scripts, they can be a convenient solution. However, it's important to understand the risks as well. The main issue with free proxies is their unreliability. They are often slow, unstable, and can stop working at any moment. This happens because they are used by hundreds of other people, and the servers aren't optimized for high loads. You might end up with an IP address that has already been blacklisted, causing sites to block your requests. Secondly, most free proxies are a temporary solution. They either have a limited lifespan or eventually shift to a paid model. Even if you find a working free server today, there's no guarantee it will be available tomorrow. Another significant drawback is that they rarely provide true anonymity. Often such proxies only cache certain traffic, meaning they store data for quick access, but do not properly hide your real IP address. This means websites can still identify you. Moreover, there's a risk that a free proxy could be dangerous. Some servers are controlled by malicious actors who use them to gather your personal data, steal passwords, or even turn your device into part of some sort of botnet. Finding a stable, working free proxy is no easy task. Most open IP addresses are either inactive or have long been blacklisted, resulting in sites simply blocking their requests. Compared to free alternatives, paid proxy servers offer much more advantages, making them a better choice. Firstly, paid services guarantee continuous operation with an average uptime of 99%. This means the server will be available almost 24/7 without any disconnections. Secondly, paid proxies offer higher speed. They can operate with bandwidths up to 1 gigabit per second, which is particularly important for automated tasks. Thanks to the absence of congestion from other users, the connection speed remains stable even under high loads. Unlike free services, which are used by hundreds of people, paid proxies provide maximum anonymity with dedicated IPs available only to you. This minimizes the risk of being blocked. Another advantage is the flexible choice of servers in over 200 countries and hundreds of unique networks. This allows easy circumvention of geo-blocking and obtaining IPs from the desired region. Additionally, paid proxies effectively cache data, reducing network load and speeding up website loading. In case of any technical issues with them, you can always rely on technical support and up-to-date settings. With all these features, paid proxies are ideally suited for professional use, while free ones might only be suitable for short-term testing or casual web browsing, but not for stable and secure operation. So the question arises, is it worth risking your security for free access? For those who take their online anonymity or business seriously, paid proxies are an indispensable solution. They provide high quality, stability, and security. By choosing a reliable provider, you get not only stability, but also protection from dangers such as interception of your traffic, theft of personal data, or the use of your information for illegal purposes, which is often the case with free services. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.